Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the charging port on your MSI MS-1582 laptop can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size number 0. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Plastic prying tool. 4. Tweezers. 5. ESD wrist strap, to prevent static damage. 6. Replacement charging port, specific to MSI MS-1582. 7. Isopropyl alcohol and cleaning cloth for internal cleaning. Step 1. Power down and prepare. Ensure your MSI MS-1582 is completely powered down. Disconnect any peripherals and remove the battery if applicable. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical shorts during the repair. If you're unsure about your laptop's power state, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 2. Access the charging port. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place. Use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding it in place. Step 3. Disconnecting the old charging port. Locate the charging port on the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. Use tweezers if necessary for precision. If the port is soldered, you may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it loose gently. Step 4. Cleaning the area. Before installing the new charging port, use isopropyl alcohol and a cleaning cloth to clean the area around the port. This will ensure a good connection and prevent dust or debris from causing issues in the future. Step 5. Installing the new charging port. Take your new charging port and align it with the existing connectors on the motherboard. Press it into place firmly but gently to avoid damaging any components. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Step 6. Reassemble the laptop. Once the new port is in place, reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips and edges are aligned. Secure it by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Step 7. Testing. Now it's time to test your work. Reinsert the battery, plug in the charger, and power on the laptop. Check if the charging port is functioning correctly. If it doesn't charge, double-check your connections. For peace of mind, you can also reach out for a quote before repair if you encounter any issues. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the charging port on your MSI MS-1582. If you ever feel overwhelmed or need assistance, remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple pickup and delivery service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.